Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you try to send photos or videos from one iPhone to another and also you have errors, so you just can't see your phone when you use AirDrop for sending your photos. So how you can fix it? So you just need, here you can see that also we can see my iPhone here, but if we go to settings, so just tap on the settings, and in the settings we need to find AirDrop. So just find here AirDrop. So we can also try to type in the search AirDrop. So here you can see AirDrop. So just tap on it, and here you will see receiving of contacts only or everyone. So if you want to receive photos or videos from a person you doesn't have in your contacts, you just need to choose everyone, and you will be able for receiving from everyone. And you just need to, if you use contacts only or receiving off, you will be able for receiving only from contacts. So let's check it. So for example, again we will choose this photo and just tap here and choose AirDrop. So here you can see that we can't see our phone, and when I choose everyone, so here you can see. So this is the way how we can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.